Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Polaris Sportsman 570 Snow Plow is probably one of the most versatile and efficient ways to tackle even the most challenging winter conditions, offering a powerful combination of maneuverability and snow clearing capabilities that make short work of driveways, sidewalks, and other areas burdened by heavy snowfall. This video will provide an in-depth review of this snow plow, covering its features, performance, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your winter needs. Number 5. Polaris 60 Steel Plow Blade. Clear your path with ease this winter. This heavy-duty blade tackles even the toughest snow drifts with power and precision. It's made from durable steel, built to withstand the most demanding plowing jobs. You can count on it season after season. The extra-tall design prevents snow from spilling over, allowing you to move more snow with each pass. Maximize your efficiency. With its 60-inch width, it carves a wide path through snow and drifts, making quick work of any snow removal task. It's compatible with a wide range of Polaris Sportsman and Ace models, ensuring a perfect fit for your machine. Check the compatibility list for your specific model. This is a genuine Polaris part, ensuring quality and reliability. It's the perfect addition to your winter gear. What we like. It's made of sturdy steel, carving a wide path through snow. Its extra-tall design prevents snow spillage. If you need to clear a wide area efficiently and value durability, this is the plow for you. What people say. Pushes tons of snow. Go for the hydraulic tilt. It's awesome. It seems well made and sturdy. Did a 200-yard road driveway with it and it was wonderful. Good system and fit well on the Polaris. Number 4. MotoAlliance DENALI 50 ATV Plow. Clear your path with ease. This heavy-duty plow is built to handle tough jobs and is perfect for your ATV. It's compatible with various Sportsman ATV models, ensuring a perfect fit for your machine. Check the compatibility list to see if it fits yours. It's made from 11-gauge steel, ensuring strength and durability for years of reliable use. The American design guarantees quality. Extend its lifespan with the included replaceable wear bar. This means less downtime and more time clearing. 7-gauge ribs and additional stabilizers reinforce the blade, providing superior strength and stability for even the toughest snow and ice. Everything you need is included: plow blade, wear bar, push tubes, skid feet, hardware, and instructions for easy installation. What we like. This plow is made of heavy-duty 11-gauge steel and includes a replaceable wear bar. It's designed for tough jobs and offers long-lasting performance. If you prioritize durability and ease of maintenance, this is a great option. What people say. The plow has been modified with cutouts which made it easy to get a socket wrench on the nut. The remainder of the install was uneventful with easy-to-follow instructions. It is a very sturdy product, and for someone like me who is not handy, it was easy to install. I have used it many times this winter, including a deep, wet, heavy snow, and it performed like a champ. Fit was perfect and this plow works great. Number 3. Polaris Glacier 66 Plow Deflector. This genuine Polaris part is designed to effectively deflect snow and ice, protecting your vehicle from damage. It's a must-have for winter riding. It fits a wide range of Polaris models, ensuring optimal performance and durability in harsh winter conditions. Keep your machine safe and running smoothly. This deflector is designed for seamless integration with your Polaris. Enjoy a quick and easy installation process. Built from high-quality materials, it's built to withstand the toughest winter elements. It provides long-lasting protection for your investment. This is a genuine Polaris OEM part, guaranteeing quality and compatibility. Ensure optimal performance with this factory-approved accessory. It's compatible with various Polaris models, including RZR, Sportsman, Scrambler, and General models from 2009 to 2020. Check the full list for your model year. What we like. As a genuine Polaris part, it's designed for a perfect fit and superior quality. It extends the reach of your plow, improving snow removal efficiency. If you own a compatible Polaris model and want a seamless fit, this is the ideal choice. What people say. This rubber snow deflector is a good addition to the Polaris snow plowing system. It will keep the blown snow from coming over the top of the plow and into my face. Great fit product for extending the top of my Polaris plow. Very easy to install, and does what it is supposed to do, deflect and keep the snow rolling with the plow. Number 2. Polaris Glacier Pro HD Plow Hydraulic Lift. Introducing the Polaris Glacier Pro HD Plow Hydraulic Lift System. It's designed for powerful snow removal, even in the toughest winter conditions. Clear your property quickly and efficiently. This system gives you precise control over your plow blade. Raise and lower it effortlessly with a simple push of a button, all from the comfort of your cab. Get the job done faster and more comfortably. The hydraulic lift system helps you maximize your Polaris UTV's performance during winter months. The system includes everything you need for installation: the hydraulic lift, hardware, and instructions. A plow blade and frame are sold separately. This system requires the Glacier Pro Power Controller, sold separately, for remote operation. A winch is not needed, and it's not compatible with Ride Command's plow mode. What we like. This hydraulic lift system offers push-button control for easy and precise operation. It significantly speeds up snow removal. If you value convenience and speed, this system will transform your snow plowing experience. What people say. Easy install. Fast shipping. Number 1. KFI 50 Flex Snow Plow Kit. Clear your path with ease this winter. This kit is designed for effortless snow removal. Its 50-inch blade tackles even the toughest snowdrifts. The flexible design ensures it conforms to uneven surfaces. It's built to withstand the rigors of snow plowing. Securely attaches to your ATV for reliable performance. This robust push tube provides the strength and stability needed for efficient snow removal. It's built to last. It's a perfect fit for your 2015 to 2020 Polaris 570 Sportsman SP ATV. Easy installation ensures you're ready to plow in no time. Everything you need is included in one convenient kit. Get plowing quickly and efficiently. What we like. This combo kit includes the plow, mount, and push tubes for easy installation. The flexible design adapts to uneven terrain. If you want a convenient and adaptable solution, this kit is a great choice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.